Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SHIB update for Tuesday 16th of August. Now the technical targets were met for SHIB, and the question really is what happens next from this point. Okay, so yesterday I did talk, bring to your notice about this particular potential bull flag that was about to happen, but that bull flag never really happened for SHIB, and you just ended up coming and closing below that level. So the question really is this a sideways movement that we're looking at to continue higher? Is it going to drop to the downside? What is it going to do? Is SHIB interested to continue to preserve the move to move even higher? Now I do actually see a trouble with SHIB right now, and let's remove all the drawings and start from the very beginning again. And I don't think this is a good sign for SHIB right now, and that is potentially SHIB is putting in a bear flag. You can see this bear flag is getting extended right now. And SHIB can actually drop to this particular level because you've been overextended. You've actually just pumped really huge for SHIB right now, and there could be chances that you're looking for SHIB to go down and break to that particular level here, which is going to be 1420, and potentially come down to this level right there. So be very, very careful. I do think that's the bear flag. Now there's a monthly price target for SHIB that was never really met, right? And it's really important for me to point out, and that is you still have this bear flag on a monthly time frame. Yes, there's a nice good pump up there to the upside, but then again when you look at it, there's this bear flag at the moment for SHIB. And if I do take the technical targets, take the top to the bottom here, this is where it broke out, and you never actually came to that technical target, which is actually 556. Okay, so on a higher time frame, you never know if next month you start to drop massively, and then from there you start continue to go to the downside. Now on a smaller time frame, all these patterns that I was predicting about the inverted and shoulder, yeah, they played out. That's amazing. That's pretty amazing. But then again, on a higher time frame, if you look at it that way, there's always a good chance that you might be looking for SHIB to come down. Now, if you were to get very, very bullish for SHIB and make that final extra push to the upside, that could just mean that SHIB is looking to actually continue and go up to retest that flag on the monthly, and that's going to be 2200. If you cross it, that's a different story. If you break it, then all those bearish sentiments get out of the way. But if you actually just come up here and get rejected again, then it could be a huge blow to start move down again. All right, so you gotta be careful here. And right now at the moment, there's a small bear flag on the 4-hour time frame, which can actually take SHIB down to 1420. And that's pretty much it for this update today. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SLP video update for Tuesday 16th of August. And I'm looking at SLP still making that rejection up here at that level. And let's bring in the EMAs, because the EMA bull cross is what we're looking at currently right now. So I'm going to be looking at SHIB for the next few days. If it actually tries to come up and break these levels here, and just go a little bit higher, break that level, come down for the retest, I might just consider buying again here. Now that's a different story if the retest doesn't get hold at the moment or not. I don't know about that, but when things break up, come for the retest, you don't have options other than to buy the coin. Now at the moment, you might be coming down to backtest this trend line for SLP, and I'm going to show you that trend line right now. Removing all those EMAs, you do have this touch there, one touch here, and traction there, and you might just come down a little bit lower back to 480 again and backtest 480 and start to move up like this, maybe back to 556, come down again, and maybe by the end of this apex coming in by 6th of September, which is pretty far away for a day trader, we're going to have some ultimate decisions if you're ever going to break this level or just make a fake out and start to lose that trend line and fall down to these levels and continue even lower. Because if you fail that thing, I do think that you're going to be looking for a big drop down to that price target, and that's where next buying opportunity might represent itself once again. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on SLP. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.